Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another juicy video for you guys. Before now I made a video of how I stretch my hair whenever I want to braid my hair, so you might want to check out that video. I'll put the link to the video down below so you can check it out. That's how I stretch my hair without heat. So for this video, as you can see from the title, I will be showing you guys the versatile pattern of crochet. This is one of my best pattern for crochet. It doesn't involve rubber band on anything. So if you're always worried about the tension that rubber band gives and all that, then this is the best pattern for you. This is a video for you. So if you're excited to see how I do this, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, let's get right into it. So once I'm done detangling my hair, I proceed to parting my hair. I like to start at the center of my hair so that way I can see what I'm doing clearly. Then next I'll be using my all-time favorite, the Shine and Jam, for the roots of my hair. I'm going to be using this all through this process because it just adds that little shine and smoothness to the root of your hair, and then it helps you to define your parts more. Next, I will section out the front parts of the hair. Reason is because the pattern we're going to be doing at the front is different from what we're going to be doing to the back. So I like to section out the front part and then before we proceed to the next step. Please, in case you hear any dog barking or anything, I'm so sorry for that. It's from the next compound, my neighbors, so I'm so sorry for that. Try as much as possible to get a very clean part, but I can only try my best. I mean, I'm making this on myself, so it can't be as neat as when someone else is making your hair, right? But at least I just try as much as possible to make sure it looks clean. Next, I'm going to be sectioning it in smaller parts. This is just my best way of making my hair, because it helps me to see what I'm doing more and help me to get a clean part, if you know what I mean. So if you're making this hair on yourself, you might want to get clips, because these are very, very important if you're making your hair yourself. So this way I'm just going to use the silver control clips and be clipping them once I part it. So you also want to make sure you use a gel at the root, like a braiding gel, not just normal random gel, a braiding gel, which is like Shine and Jam. So it just helps that part stay in place. You don't have to come back and it's scattered and all that, and then it helps your root very, very smooth, like I said earlier. So after that, I'm going to be sectioning it in smaller parts, which is what I'm doing right now. So if you have seen my last video where I did a crochet braid, it was, we used the rubber band method. So at this point you want to use your rubber band and tie it, but in this video we are not using rubber band for this method. We're just going to braid the hair. So once you section it out, you braid it. Once you're done braiding it, then we'll now add it to the second one. You see what I mean in a minute. Once I'm done braiding the hair, you just want to, this method doesn't have any tension to your hair at all. I mean, you're braiding your hair yourself, so you know how much to grip your hair. So then I'm just going to split the second one into two, and then put this one, attach this one to that one, and just braid it all back. This is actually very self-explanatory. It's a visual tutorial, so I'm just trying my best to explain it, but you get what I mean. It's a visual thing. I'm just going to keep quiet right now for you to just watch closely and see what I'm doing. As you can see, this is just a really simple and self-explanatory method. Like, it's really simple. It's not hard at all. And the essence of making this type of crochet is so you have that individual look like the regular braids, instead as against just having a cornrow and then crochet on it. It doesn't really look nice. I prefer to have this pattern. Then you can go ahead and just braid the back of your hair all back down. That's fine, but I also like to do like single at the back, just so in case I want to pack my hair up, I can still have that natural braid look at the back, if you get what I mean. So I'm just going to go ahead and pat the back, and we'll also do the same thing we just do to the front at the back, but this time around it's smaller. It's just like 2 lines at the back. done with the back, I go ahead to do the middle. This time around, I just trace the lines I already have at the front. I just trace it down to the back and then braid a straight cornrow at the back. So I had about 10 lines at the front, so I had 10 cornrow in total. Once I'm done with all the braids, I have one long braid left, so I'm just going to use the crochet pin to hide it in between the cornrow. And yeah, that is it. Like, this is super easy to do. It's not hard at all. It will only take you time if you're doing it for the first time, but this process took me about 20 to 25 minutes to do it. And then yeah, no tension at all. You're making your hair yourself and it's super neat. Yeah, I hope you learned something from this video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on post notification, because the next video you're going to be seeing is the crochet braid itself. Until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.